How to change your profile picture on Venmo. Wanna update your profile picture on Venmo? It's easy. This video shows you how to do it on the website in under 60 seconds. Head to the Venmo website, venmo.com, and log into your account if you're not already logged in. Hover your mouse over your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and here is what to do next. Tap or click Settings, then tap and click Profile. You'll see your current profile picture and username. Tap and click on Change Photo option. Now choose how you want to upload your new picture. You can either take a new photo with your camera or select an existing photo from your gallery or from your PC. Once you've chosen your photo, crop and adjust it as desired using the editing tools provided by the app or website. And finally, tap or click Save to update your profile picture. And that's it. Your new profile picture is now rocking your Venmo profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Venmo tips and tricks.